Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic, and that is about Paulo Coelho's history.
Yes.
So I have invited Muhammad Asim to this show. Welcome to the show, Asim.
Thank you.
Asim, tell the viewers about history of Paulo Coelho. He is a very important author of current era.
Yes, no doubt about that one. He's a spiritual author as well as a writer par excellence. He's settled in Switzerland now, but he was born in Rio de Janeiro, and he was very much interested in music and writing. But by the age of 20, given his circumstances, he was sent to lunatic asylum, and he stayed there for 2 years. He used to escape from there, and eventually his parents enrolled him in a law school. He did well in law school, but he was not interested. He wanted to become a writer, and during the military junta purge in Brazil, he was jailed and even tortured. And then he was released from there, and then he joined another music group, and he started writing for some companies about the music as well as lyrics, and eventually he ended up as a writer. And by mid-1980s, he went on a very famous journey, which is documented and written in the form of a book, The Pilgrimage in Santiago, Spain, 500 miles journey. And that taught him a lot of things about life. And then he evolved himself as a writer and wrote many books.
Great. Asim, tell me, what is his view about human personality development?
Well, human personality development is not a sudden what you call development. It is basically done in stages and understanding about your inner self. The movement of ego is inside out, which is even the movement of ego explained in Iqbal's reconstruction, which is taught in Islam and even Quran, that you have to look into your heart. And he says in his very famous book, The Alchemist, and he says your treasure is where your heart is, and it's a journey of a boy from Santiago, Spain, eventually ending up in Egypt, and then he found that treasure will be found back in Santiago, and he did find that. So that's a metaphorical story on the tone of story of Joseph.
Great. And tell the viewers about his point of view on nature and his stance on nature.
Okay, nature he takes into a very dynamic view, and it is in relationship with the human inner self also. He says the society, if you're living in a society, you must understand two languages. Language of the society and language of the omen. Omen means surroundings. As Prophet Joseph got the omen that the prostrating of the sun, stars and moon, this showed his dream, and that is what he says when you're moving on a journey. If you see some message on the surrounding, that message can be related to you. You have to understand that language.
Okay. By the way, viewers, Asim has read each and every book by Coelho.
Thank you.
So Asim, what are your top 3 picks for our viewers?
Okay, my point of view, Alchemist, no doubt about that one. Second book, very important. They're short stories, but you can learn a lot from them, and that is like the flowing rivers. And in fact, you will flow with those stories also. And third is The Winner Takes Alone, or Winner Stands Alone. I'll correct it. Winner Stands Alone. It is also about the achievement of one person in Russia and how you achieve yourself in life, but not through the surroundings, to your inner self.
Thank you so much,
Thank you very
Asim.
much.
Viewers, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Thank you.
Thank you very much.